everybody, we're now going for a ride in our 1957 Chevy Deluxe 3100 pickup. Nice little custom mod truck here we have at Skyway Classics with a beautiful gray exterior and a somewhat gray and beige interior. It is a sweet little truck we got. As you see, they have modified the cluster to the newer style. We also have a newer style radio in here. Got vintage AC added. Also has a little kick with the nice little crate 350 motor underneath the hood. But of course, with the little kick, you need nice brakes, which we'll demonstrate for you right now. And I didn't even hit that pedal all the way. That's how amazing this truck actually is. Has a nice chrome mag style wheels on the outside. Of course, it has the one single bench seat, single window at the back. And for the bed, you can see they also wooded it a little bit to make it really look nice. And yeah, just a clean little truck here at Skyway Classics. If you'd like to see more, please visit our website, skywayclassics.com. Visit our YouTube channel, take a look at our inventory. Anyway, we're gonna get her up on the lift now. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.